Temple Wrestling's latest All-American selection comes from an unlikely source. Freshman Grigol Khochiashvili had no intention of wrestling after high school, choosing to focus on school. But this season's head coach, Kurt Paroly, changed all of that through word of mouth.
I found out through a mutual friend that he was at Temple, didn't even know we had a wrestling program. So I reached out to him prior to school even starting.
The team may be listed as a club sport, but the intensity level of the competition is fierce.
I don't treat it as what they call a club. I treat it as if was a wrestling program as any other D1, D2, D3 school does.
Grigol finished the regular season with a perfect 13-0 record to qualify for nationals. On March 10th, he breezed through the first 4 rounds, advancing to the national championship match, which he lost in double overtime.
I've actually improved dramatically over this 1 year. People were talking about, it was a waste of potential to be at Temple's team. I think otherwise now.
Grigol had mixed success in high school. He wasn't a state medalist, but did win a bronze in the USA Judo Junior Olympic Championships in 2021.
I did have a whole background in judo that I did much before the whole, wrestling in high school. Next year, the plan, man, is I'm going to kill it over the summer, and I'm running through that bracket.
Temple offers 36 club sports, so don't miss out on your opportunity to join in. Shoot your shot. From Franklin Mills, I'm Brett Rehack, Al Sports Update.